Did you hear my garage door squealing and making all that noise? You come home late at night, open the door. There's a good chance you're going to wake people up. I'm going to show you some tips on how to fix that squealing door. And if anybody's got any tips on how to stop your dog from barking while you're making a video, please let me know. Okay, first thing is, if you have a garage door that is chain driven by the garage door opener, you see that railing up there? I'm going to clean that off and I'm going to put a bit of lithium grease on it. Here I'm cleaning the rail with a can of brake cleaner spray and a paper towel, but you could use any grease remover. It's easy, just spray it on with that, especially with the brake cleaner, and it wipes right off. Okay, now we're going to go around to every hinge on this garage door, and we're going to check each bolt to make sure that they're snugged up, nothing's loose. Just wait till there's a bit of resistance before you, don't over tighten them. Just wait till there's a bit of resistance and then stop. So there, that one was a little loose, snugged it up good. Same with that one there. And this one. When your door goes up and down multiple times throughout its life, there's a lot of vibration and everything, and these hinges, these bolts will vibrate loose. Not overly loose, but they will vibrate loose, and that could cause a trouble. You would like them all to be snugged up. So I'm going to go up to that rail up there and the chain and apply some white lithium grease in a spray bottle. I'm just going to take a latex glove, and I'm going to just kind of spread this around so it's not thick on there. You just need enough on there to keep it lubed. You don't have to overdo it. Plus, when this part here goes down the rail, it's going to pull the grease around and spread it out as well. I also sprayed some lithium grease in around here and also right here. You don't need much here, but anywhere where metal contacts metal, that will make noise. Now, the final spot I would like you to put some grease is around these roller wheels. Okay, so like in here, you squirt it in that crease there, in here, in here, anywhere where there's the metal touches the metal. So right in that wheel there, inside here, and also in your middle hinges of your door, anywhere around here. Like I said, wherever metal touches metal. Hopefully you can see inside here. So right in there where the metal and the roller touch, spray right in that crease. And then right here, not too much, don't overdo it. And then right in here, wherever there's a hinge. So this is your roller wheel, this is your hinge. All right, now that we've put white lithium grease on all our hinge points, our roller wheels, our railing, our chain, everything, let's try it out. Well, that was a lot less squealing. Now let's put it down, and hopefully we have all the squealing is gone. It seems to be rolling a lot smoother. Notice how the door isn't jumping? It was jumping and jolting quite a bit before. Well, that's much better. No noise, and it's not jumping and jolting.